Hey, I'm Ryan with RotoMetals, and today I'm going to show you our skimmer options for skimming off your molten metal. We have three types. We have a 3-inch skimmer that's made out of all steel, and two 6-inch skimmers. And we're talking about the diameter of the head. So it's a 3-inch skimmer with perforated holes in it. Overall, it's about 20 inches in length. This is good for the smaller pots, and all these can be used for lead, babbitt's, zinc, maybe even aluminum, but you gotta watch the temperature on the aluminum. They come right out of the stamped mill, so you might have to do a little bit of a cleanup on denatured alcohol to get some grease and oils off. This one is all steel, and then we have the 6-inch version in steel. It's got a little bit deeper of a bend, so it's 6-inch diameter. This one's much longer, so you're looking almost 34 inches. So this is for much larger pots, basically. And we do have a stainless steel option where the skimmer part is stainless steel, the rod is normal steel. It's not quite as deep as our 6-inch deep skimmer. This is about 1 1/4 deep. This one's more like about 1 inch deep at the most. So not quite as much bend, but stainless steel will last a lot longer and withhold a lot higher temperatures. So that's the stainless steel option. And that's also about 35 inches overall. So for much larger pots. If you have any questions, feel free to send us an email, sales@RotoMetals, or 800-779-1102. Thank you.